Hi everyone and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Happy Thanksgiving if you live in the US, and happy first Advent of Sunday for everyone else. I have just received a package, the last package actually, in this haul that I'm going to do here on my channel today, and it was My Favorite Things clear stamps from Stacey Yahula. I am obsessed with Stacey Yahula. I think she creates the cutest stamps, the little critter stamps. They are adorable, and they are not like baby stamps either, but they are just super uber cute. And then something that I am just so thankful for, my lovely friend Sybil. I have helped her out with her blog, and you need to check out her blog. I am quite biased when I say that her blog is nice, but it is really nice. I think it's really cute and nice, and I will link it in the description, so you need to check it out. But Sybil and I, we've been friends for ages, literally ages now, and we talk on Instagram probably every day almost, sometimes every second day or something like this, but at least once a week, if not more. I mean, a lot more really. But as a thank you for helping her out with her new blog, she sent me a lovely gift, and I'm just over the moon about this because this is gonna be so perfect together with my distress ink. It is a palette from Paul Rubens, and I don't know if you've seen swatch videos of Paul Rubens watercolor palette, but it is gorgeous, especially with the distress ink. It's just so pretty. And when you buy, when you get, as I did, when you get the Paul Rubens palette, it arrives in this pink, lovely, very sturdy box where you get this lovely cloth with the Paul Rubens brand logo on, and obviously the top of the box. And then what I've done, obviously because I've had a play with these, who could not have a play with these lovely colors, I'm going to show you. And if you love using distress ink, and if you like metallics and just having a little metallic glide over your already painted images, I mean, this will be perfect. Just have a look at that. That is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Think dragon. Painted in distress ink with some of this pearlescent glorious paint over it. And the wonderful thing with the Paul Rubens set is that it's very pigmented, and the color spectrum is much larger than any other set. So thank you so much, Sybil, for this wonderful gift. You're so lovely. And then she also gifted me some of these, what's the name of this? So I don't say they're Royal Langnickel brushes. I love brushes like this. The tinier the better, because okay, I'm gonna start showing you the stamps, and I'm gonna start with the Lee Holland stamps because I don't think a lot of people have seen these before, and it could be fun to look at them first. So this is the set of If Friends Were Flowers. I just love how the dragon, it looks so friendly. A lot of the times, like these stamps with dragons, they look quite scary looking, and I just love how friendly Lee Holland's dragon stamps are. In the kit you also get some sentiments like, you are a treasure, if friends were flowers I'd pick you, make a wish, and then sorry. But yeah, just super cute. And then we've got You Are My Sunshine. I mean, look at that. That is adorable. And how I love how it's colored as well. This has also some sentiments like just a note. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. Be happy, special, especially for you. And that's how it looks when it's uncolored. And then you've got this one which says, well, it's called With Love, and you've got, whoops, you've got sentiments like you make my heart happy, next to you is the best place to be, and with love. And we have got this super cute dragon with a birthday cake. That's a massive birthday cake. It's called From Me to You. And it's got sentiments like with love from me to you, sending hugs, sending huge hugs, happy birthday, and so many candles. Super cute. And what I love with these are quite big stamps as well. They're 4x7, so I like bigger stamps because it's easier to color. And this one is called Thank You. It's got hello, sending hugs, thank you so much, and that cute little dragon with a big present. And then this little dragon with a balloon is called Hello You, and it's got best wishes, hello you, have a wonderful day, bon voyage. Super cute. So can't wait to color those. And then we have the My Favorite Things Stacey Yakula stamps. This is a mixture of 2019 and 2020 release stamp sets. This stamp set is from the 2020 release. It's called Hooray Kind of Day. I just love how that little bear is just holding that flag and the fox, and I like the sentiments as well. They're quite nice, like you fill my heart all the way to the top. Just adorable to color. But I think one thing I will have problems with these is to color them with my alcohol markers, because the tip of my alcohol markers are not that detailed. So because I'm not an expert when it comes to alcohol markers at all, that might be my main difficulty, so I probably will stay with using my distress inks on these. This is from the 2020 collection as well. It's called Christmas Cheer. You've got a nice Christmas tree there. You've got the scene building stamp, which is always good to have, especially with these stamps. I love that little rabbit. You've got the fox and the bird, and more scene building stamps. And then this is from 2019. I love the little rabbit in bed. Super cute, and it can perfectly be used together with this set, which is my idea a little bit. Like you can build like a living room or a bedroom where Grandma Bear is reading to little baby rabbit. It's a big family here, very diverse. You've got the fireplace, you've got the lamp, you've got that little fox reading there in a chair, and once again you've got these quite nice sentiment stamps. And then this is from 2019. It is the Sending Sweet Celebration Wishes kit stamp set. You've got real birthday stamps here. You've got a little penguin and a fox, and I love the turtle, just adorable. And then another set of scene building stamps. This is from 2019. You've got the hills, you've got the trees, you've got the clouds, some flowers, just perfect. And then from the 2020 collection is Frost Loving Friends. I think this is the newest stamp set that's been released. I think that is so adorable. They're sitting there drinking some hot chocolate, and then you can use the scene building stamp set there to do some lovely little trees, and just lovely. And it can be used together with this Happy Campus set where you've got the mountains. I mean, you could do mountains behind the rabbit there. You've got the trees and a little owl. It's so cute. Oh, they're grilling marshmallows. Just adorable. So these are the stamps that I was able to get here in the UK. I know there is some more Stacey Yakula stamps available, but these were the ones I could get here in the UK because a lot of them were sold out. But I don't think there's a ton of my favorite things. Stacey Hula stamps, I'm not sure. There might be, but I think I got majority of the stamps. There's just maybe 5 or 6 more, and then I've got her complete my favorite things collection of clear stamps. But yeah, that was my lovely haul with some new stamps, and I can't wait to do some coloring and creating some cards with these. So I see you soon in another video. Bye!